How affiliate marketing can work for you. You have heard many other people give their input regarding affiliate marketing, but it is time that you learn about it and become an expert on your own. While this may require an extra commitment, you will get back what you put into it. This video will provide many helpful tips for you. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. If people don't enjoy your emails, then they'll stop watching them or even worse, unsubscribe. Once you've established yourself, you can send potential customers only emails that have proven themselves. A lot of successful affiliate marketers hold question and answer sessions with themselves in order to get ahead in the highly competitive marketplace. You should examine your market and then ask questions on how it could be improved. Of course, then you must work to provide the answers and to improve the market. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure the company you're going to do business with can provide you with information regarding how well their affiliates are doing. It's important to know how much money their affiliates are making, and if they don't offer you any of this information, it's probably a good idea to check out another company. Some potential customers will not want to purchase anything through your website if you aren't upfront about the fact that you use affiliate marketing. You want to be honest about what you do and that you earn a profit from them purchasing from your website. If not, they may go elsewhere to purchase this item. A great affiliate marketing tip is to have at least 30 pages of content on your website. It's a good idea to have many pages of content on your website because it makes your site look more professional. An ideal amount of pages is 250. To be successful at affiliate marketing, match your product to your website. It is important to know who is actually visiting your website. Once you have figured out the demographics of who visits your site, you can then figure out what they want to buy. Find affiliate programs who carry products that your target audience wants. In conclusion, you now have been provided with many helpful tips regarding affiliate marketing. While you may have already known some of this information, we hope that you have either reinforced your current knowledge or perhaps learned something new. Use this information to be the controller of your own success. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.